When I'm on the road, do I cross your mind? When I'm on the road, baby, yes, come right. Yeah, let it back.
Hey y'all, it's Tysofunny5 and I'm back again with another YouTube video. But it's been like some decades, a long time since I popped out with a video. You know, because a lot of stuff been going on, but we're gonna get into that later, like on some other videos and stuff while I've been gone so long. But today I got a special guest with me. You know, my sister's sitting, and she's right here on the other phone.
Period, square. And don't get at me, but y'all can add me on Snap. Don't get at me, because if you get at me, I'm gonna leave you on the river.
Her Snapchat gonna be right here. Alright, we're finna get to some things today. So, everybody been asking about this video, requesting about this video, asking me like what I use for my hair, what I do this, what I do that. So, we're gonna get to the next steps and everything. Tune in. Water. Water is the key ingredient to everything. Water is everywhere. So, is there somewhere? Water. Just know it's water. Just know it's water. So, I use water for my hair. You gotta keep it moisturized. And what comes water comes oil. You need water and oil for the hair. I use this oil right here. I put it with my scalp, like if I twist it, do like hairstyles, like different hairstyles. You want to put oil in there. But the most important part of the oil is the best oil, coconut oil or castor oil. Castor oil will grow your hair fast. Like I'm telling you, like this stuff works like magic. Let's get to it. When it comes to water and oil, you need combs, picks, all that. Make sure you get a wide tooth comb because a wide tooth comb works well. Like and a pick and a rat tail comb. These right here save life. Like I use gel because it's some good gel right here, especially the gold one right here. You got castor oil in there. As you can see, a lot of stuff I use have castor oil because castor oil is the gold. And my deep conditioner I'm supposed to be using. I'm gonna do this in my next video, deep condition and Q&A. Deep conditioner and Q&A with my next video, y'all. And this right here, Bella Curls right here, Curl Define. Put y'all on right here. This stuff good right here. It smells good. It smells like some candy or something like that, but like it smells good. I'm gonna put y'all on right here. Screenshot this and use this. It's for curly hair, coily, or wavy hair. It works. And the next product, whole blends, no strawberries, and conditioner. You got avocado oil, shea butter, and coconut. And this right here is my favorite right here. I just got this. It smells good. Make your hair soft when you use it. So I recommend this for y'all to use. So go ahead, screenshot. Use it. And the next one is all about curls, daily cream conditioner. This right here got a whole brand of products and it works good. Like it's really. And last but not least, we got the shampoo. This right here. Hold up, cause I'm hungry. This brand, they got some good stuff. Like their whole brand is good. The whole brand. Anything from their brand, just use it cause it's good. But this is some good shampoo. Coconut oil, like I said. I'll tell y'all. So what comes with all that good stuff? You gotta have something to wrap your hair up at night. Bonnets, do-rags, bandanas, scarves, all that. Old t-shirts, different colors, shapes, sizes. You gotta keep the hair wrapped up secure because you can't just slip on your hair on a pillow like that because it makes your hair up at night. It'll break your hair off sometimes. So you always gotta keep your hair protected and moisturized at night. And before you go to bed, wet your hair, conditioner, and then put a cap on it or use like some deep conditioner and leave it in for the night. And if you have any questions, I'm gonna tell you where I got all my stuff at before I let y'all go. So this right here, we got this at Walmart. It was like $5. This one at the beauty supply store about like $5 a thing. This one is about like $5 or $3. It's from beauty supply store. This right here, $12. I know, it's taxing. This right here, I forgot how much this was. This is about like, this is kind of expensive too, but I still bought it because I needed it. This right here is like a cheap little packet, $1 packet. It was like $1. Deep conditioner, because like, you know, you can use this a lot. So I recommend I use deep conditioners all the time because it's healthy for your hair. And last but not least, Eco Solid Gel. You can find these at Walmart, beauty supply stores, online, everywhere. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for listening. Tysofunny5 here with another video, and soon to be more because I've been slacking. I gotta get back to it.